All right, so today we're going to be covering Rakesh Upadehi's price analysis for February 17th for Bitcoin, Ether, Polkadot, Cardano, and XRP, the top five cryptocurrencies by market cap in this video. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am winning, and so are you. I'm Ryan Huggins, and this is Win with Ryan. Today, we got a great video coming for you. We are going to be doing 5 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies on price analysis, so you can see what to expect over the remaining of the week, going into the weekend. Where should these crypto coins be going? Where should you be looking to enter and exit out of your trades? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Here we go. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not reflect the views of Cointelegraph or myself. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and you should conduct your own research when making a decision. All right, so today we're going to be covering Rakesh Upadehi's price analysis for February 17th for Bitcoin, Ether, Polkadot, Cardano, and XRP, the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap in this video. If you would like to, check out our next video, and we'll be covering BNB, LTC, BCH, Link, and XLM. So let's go ahead and get started. Bitcoin price has posted new all-time highs today, and that may pull select altcoins higher as well. So today, currently Bitcoin is sitting at 52,450, just absolutely pumping. You know, this morning it was over 50K, and it has not stopped since. Bitcoin is gradually gaining ground on gold, the traditional store of value. Data shows that once 1 ounce of gold can only buy 0.0352 Bitcoins as of February 17th, the lowest amount of BTC ever. This shows that Bitcoin has been rewarding its investors much more than gold. Bitcoin has massively outperformed gold over various timeframes. Even if the latest 1-year data is considered, Bitcoin's risk-adjusted return is 270%, while gold's is only 24% as of December 28th of 2020. The result further skews hugely in favor of Bitcoin in longer time frames of 4 years or 8 years are compared. In the past few years, Bitcoin has matured as an asset class. During the previous bull run in 2017, Bitcoin's 60-day volatility was at 32%, but in the current phase, Bitcoin has recorded lower volatility at only 14.25. Analysts believe that that has institutional adoption increases. Volatility could drop even further, and there are no signs of a slowdown in the number of institutions showing interest in Bitcoin. Elliptic co-founder Tom Robinson told the Telegraph that many United States financial institutions are seriously considering launching some type of cryptocurrency service. If institutional adoption continues to grow, the sentiment is likely to remain positive. So let's analyze the charts of the top 5 in this video and then 5 in the next video to spot the levels on the upside that may act as a significant resistance. BTC USD, the psychological level at $50,000 saw only minor resistance to Bitcoin, which shows that the bulls are firmly in command and not hurrying to book profits as they anticipate the bull run to continue. A new all-time high above 51,000 is a sign of strength. The upsloping 20-day exponential moving average of 43,451 and relative strength index RSI in the overbought zone suggests that bulls are in control. If the bulls can sustain the price above 50,000 for 3 days, the BTC USD pair could rally to $60,974, where the bears may step in. On the downside, the first support is the 20-day EMA, and if the bears can sink the price below it, the decline could extend to the 50-day simple moving average of 37,000 415. And this is an important level to watch because a break below that suggests momentum shift to the bears. So let's take a look at the chart. All right, so on the one-day chart on Bitcoin, you can see here that the 20-day moving average is on its way up. The 50-day moving average is also on its way up. We had that really powerful candle just a couple of days ago, and then we've had a nice, steady, consistent growth over the last couple of days, which is looking really good. And then also we have the RSI in the overbought territory, but it is not up towards the max, which is usually where a sell-off will appear. So looking great for Bitcoin in the upcoming time frame. So we're really excited to see this power up to 60,000 and see if we can hit that before anything turns around. So keep an eye on Bitcoin. This is really, really exciting. So if you love Bitcoin, make sure you type BTC down in the comments. Let us know that you're holding some BTC. ETH USD, Ether, ETH is currently range bound between 1,658 and 1,869. The long tail on the February 15th candlestick shows the bulls are buying on every minor dip, and the buyers will now try to propel the price above 1869. If they succeed, the ETH USD pair could start the next leg of the uptrend, which has a target objective of $2,000. This is an important resistance, but if the bulls can drive the price above this channel, the momentum could accelerate. The next target objective on the upside is 2,515. And contrary to this assumption, though, if the price fails to rise above 1869, the pair may consolidate in this range for a few more days. And then a break below the 20-day moving average of 1658 will be the first sign of weakness, and a trend change will be a signal if the bears sink the price below the support line of the channel. So let's take a look at this chart. All right, so here we have the channel. We've been talking about this one now for a couple of weeks because it has been very consistent in this channel. By the way, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're not missing these analysis. A lot of the people on the channel got in way back here at 900. Some of our subscribers even got in at 700 when that first real move started happening. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. So right here you have the bottom line of this ascending channel, and right here you have the top line. And what it's doing is it's making new highs and it's making new higher lows. So new higher highs and new higher lows, and it's continuing this very positive market structure. Over this last 2 weeks, you can see it's been in this little bit of a range here. It's running up to this resistance line, and then it's bouncing back down to that 1658. So it's staying in that range of 18.9 all the way to 1658. But once we get this break above 18 and 1900, and then it'll run up to the ascending channel resistance line. If it can break through there, then we can see a major bull run like we're talking about to 2500. USD, Polkadot's rose to a new all-time high on February 16th and followed up with another new high on Wednesday, which shows that the bulls are firmly in command. However, the bears are defending the resistance line of the channel. If the bulls can thrust the price above the ascending channel, the momentum could pick up and the USD pair could rally to $42. On the other hand, even if the price sustains in this upper half of the channel, the uptrend may gradually continue. The first sign of weakening momentum will be a break below the midpoint of the channel, and if that happens, the pair may decline to the support line of the channel. And this is an important support level because a break below that could indicate a trend change. So let's take a look. So just like with Ether here, we have a nice ascending channel. This one is actually in a much more steep incline, and it's been doing the same thing though. So new higher high and new higher low, new higher high, new higher low, new higher high, and it's bouncing around. And what we're watching for is this midline of the channel. If this bounces off of here and comes down, we want to see a support here at the $28 level. But what we really want to see right now is a break through this resistance line to the upside, and then a retest of that line, and then a continuation of the uptrend to the $40 mark. The RSI is in the overbought territory, signaling very positive momentum. Also, the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average are swinging up, which is a great sign for momentum for .USD. ADA-USD. So after the sharp rebound from the lows on February 15th, Cardano ADA formed an inside day candlestick pattern on February 16th and a doji candlestick pattern today, which shows a balance between supply and demand. The bulls will now try to push the price to 98 cents. This level is likely to act as a stiff resistance, but if the bulls can drive the price above it, the ADA-USD pair could rally to the $1.25 mark and then to a $1.50. And if you've been watching the previous videos, we do have some signals showing that this should run up to the $2 mark in the near future as well. But on the other hand, if the price turns down from the current level or the overhead resistance, the pair may drop to 68 cents. A bounce off of this level could keep the price range bound from 68 and 98 cents. So here we have the Cardano chart. And as you can see, the moving averages are definitely very bullish. You can see that they're spiking up in a significant amount. You can see all of the candlesticks. I mean, it was just like a rocket ship taking off there for a couple of days. The buyers got a little exhausted. So we had some buyers exhaustion here. So the sellers stepped in a little bit and it did a little retracement to that 38% level. Below that, a little tiny bit of the Fibonacci, but you can see that the bulls are buying that dip and it's continuing each day to be consistent buy. So what we're looking for is the break above this 98 cent level and then power through that all the way up to the $1, the $1.50, and then the $2 mark. The RSI is in the positive territory, which is really exciting. So everything signals very positive momentum here, following in the footsteps of Bitcoin, making some good moves for Cardano. XRP USD. XRP, what's up with the XRP army? So my last video on the XRP, we were talking about the lawsuit. The lawsuit has been denied, but that's okay. They are now in discovery and they're going to finish that here shortly. And the momentum is definitely picking back up for XRP. So if you watched the last video, I had sold my coins for Cosmos. Cosmos is taking off. But what's cool is, you know, another paycheck has come and it's time to put some more money in, and it's looking like we're gonna stack some XRP again. So XRP price attempted to bounce off the 50 cent level on February 14th and 15th and seen from the long tails on the candlestick, but the bulls could not sustain the rebound, and this suggests that demand dries up at those higher levels. The failure to achieve a strong rebound off a critical level suggests the momentum has weakened, and the XRP USD pair could now consolidate between 50 and 65 cents for a few days. A breakout of 65 cents could push the price to 78 cents. And then contrary to this assumption, if the price does break below the 20-day moving average of 48 cents, the pair could decline all the way back to 35 cents. And then that would be a huge spot to buy the dip. All right, so here you can see the chart of XRP. And again, when the lawsuit information came out, it was here. It dropped that price down to 17 cents. And it's unfortunate because I had actually bought it basically at 70 cents over here. And then over the next couple of weeks, I just watched the money fizzle away. And then when it got back up to this 50 cent level, I actually got out of it and got into Cosmos. But what's really great is the momentum is picking back up. And a lot of my friends are all in that XRP army. And so I am looking to have a good spot to re-up my staking in XRP. Right now, it did come down to the 20-day EMA and bounced off nicely. As you can see, the momentum is continuing up. And we're going to watch this 65 cent level. If this can break up above and the candle close above 65 cents, we'll look for a retest and then a takeoff from there. So XRP is looking like it could be making a really strong move here. You've got the 50-day moving average on its way up. The 20-day moving average is significantly in the bullish territory. And then the RSI is at 61. So once it gets to that 70%, you can see some serious momentum behind it. With the negative news of the XRP trial behind it, we could see some huge positive moves coming forward from XRP. So keep an eye at that 65 cent level. and see what happens from there. So thank you guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope this information is helpful. Hope you guys are very bullish on all of the coins right now because great things are happening. Thank you so much again for watching the channel. See you in the next one.